Yeah, hi Tom, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your laser for you. Okay, first off, basically I've stripped it down, I tested it and the laser was faulty obviously. And I've taken the cogs out, I've cleaned the cogs up and checked your micro switch on there. You know, in all honesty, it's very clean for the part that it is. You know, it's an old CDM 12 part, which is, you know, a relatively clean part. So the cogs are tight. The board is okay, there's no problems there. So what I've done is I've changed the laser and given it a bit of a clean for you. And the board's fine, as I say. So yeah, you shouldn't have any issues with this one. This should last you for a good few years. Like I say, you have got warranty on the laser and the labour for that for 6 months, okay, but I can only warrant obviously the work that I've done on the laser, so I'm just going to power it up for you, so you can see it all working and spinning and doing. So you know, thank you very much. We do appreciate your business, and anything else you need, just let me know, and that will go out today. Royal Mail, signed for delivery. Okay, it's going to go out today, but I can't guarantee the delivery service because I've been waiting weeks for parcels and they're just not arriving. Royal Mail were just crap now, so nothing I can do about that. But that's going to go out today. Well, it's going to go out in the next 20 minutes. So you can hear it all playing there. It's I've had you know, plenty of hours on the test board there, and I've got, you know, no issues at all. It's a, you know, it's a great bit of kit, good unit. So thank you very much, Tom, and you have a great day and look after yourself, and really appreciate your business. And anything else we can do to you, just give me a shout. I'll be happy to help you. Thanks, Tom. Cheers, buddy.